A woman's bold scheme to sell Elvis's Graceland ends in prison. In a dramatic turn of events, a Missouri woman named Lisa Janine Findley has been sentenced to over 4 years in federal prison for her attempt to illegally sell Elvis Presley's Graceland, home and property. The case, which has sparked nationwide debate, highlights the lengths to which individuals will go to exploit a celebrity's legacy. The court's decision to halt the auction, following a lawsuit by Presley's granddaughter, underscores the complexities of legal battles over historic real estate. U.S. District Judge John T. Fowlkes Jr. imposed a sentence of 4 years and 9 months in prison, plus 3 years of probation, after Findley pleaded guilty to mail fraud charges related to her scheme. Despite her conviction, Findley declined to comment during the hearing, leaving the outcome to the legal system. Her case, which unfolded in a high-profile courtroom, has drawn comparisons to other fraud cases involving celebrities and their estates. Findley, 54, falsely claimed that Presley's daughter borrowed $3.8 million from a fake private lender and pledged Graceland as collateral for the loan, before her death in 2023. She then threatened to sell the property to the highest bidder if the family failed to pay a $2.85 million settlement. Prosecutors said she posed as 3 different individuals connected to the fraudulent lender, fabricated loan documents, and published a misleading foreclosure notice in a Memphis newspaper. The sale was abruptly halted when Presley's granddaughter, Riley Keough, sued to block the auction. The court's decision to stop the sale was fueled by skepticism over the authenticity of the documents used to secure the loan. Experts were baffled by the use of names, emails, and documents that quickly became suspect. Graceland, a 13-acre estate that opened as a museum in 1982, is one of the most iconic properties in the U.S., drawing hundreds of thousands of visitors annually. Its location, just across from Elvis Presley Enterprises entertainment complex, makes it a prime target for such schemes. The estate's lawsuit against Nausani Investments and Private Lending, the alleged fraudulent lender, revealed that the company's records were filed in a different state, complicating legal proceedings. A notary named Kimberly Thilbrick, whose name appears on the company's documents, denied ever meeting Lisa Marie Presley or notarizing any documents for her. The judge ruled that the notary's affidavit raised doubts about the authenticity of the signature, casting further doubt on the legitimacy of the loan. The case has ignited debates about the ethics of exploiting a celebrity's legacy and the role of legal systems in protecting historic properties. Critics argue that the estate's lack of financial loss should have absolved Findley of blame, while others contend that the scheme was executed with sophistication. In a rare public statement, Judge Fowlkes called the sale a travesty of justice, emphasizing the gravity of the fraud. This was a highly sophisticated scheme to defraud, he declared, highlighting the complexity of the case. As the legal battle continues, the case serves as a cautionary tale about the dangers of misinformation and the importance of verifying claims, especially when dealing with historic landmarks. Whether this case becomes a landmark precedent or a cautionary example remains to be seen, but its impact on public perception of fraud and celebrity estates is already significant.